Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lower your VW Beetle rear suspension. Lowering your Beetle's rear can enhance its appearance and improve handling dynamics. We'll cover two primary methods: adjusting the torsion bars and installing adjustable spring plates. Before starting, gather essential tools like a jack stands, wrenches, and a torque wrench. Always prioritize safety by working on a level surface and using proper support. One common method involves adjusting the torsion bars. First, safely lift the vehicle and remove the rear wheels. Then, detach the shock absorbers and carefully remove the spring plates. You can reindex the torsion bars by 1 or 2 splines, typically achieving a drop of 2 to 4 inches. Reassemble everything, making sure all bolts are torqued to factory specifications for safety. Another excellent option is installing adjustable spring plates. These plates replace your original ones and offer a much simpler way to fine-tune your ride height. You can typically achieve a drop of 1 to 5 inches with these. Simply install them, then use the integrated adjusters to set your desired stance. Remember to verify that your shock absorbers are compatible with the new lowered height. After completing the lowering process, several crucial steps remain. It is highly recommended to get a professional wheel alignment to correct any changes in camber and toe. Thoroughly check for any potential rubbing issues between your tires and fender wells or other suspension parts. Finally, take your Beetle for a careful test drive to ensure everything feels secure and handles as expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.